Hello YouTube, Mountainous here, and it's real big in Gubbi, baby. Yeah, check this out. That's the second story roof of the house next to me. The snow's almost touching the roof right there. It's at least 15 to 17 feet of snow. That's unreal, and it's just the beginning. It's gonna get big. This is how we do it in Gubbi, baby. It's freaking so big. That roof's about to slide right there. Check this out. You can see that big chunk right there hasn't slid yet. That's gonna all come down and make the yard that much bigger. Oh yeah. I just gotta go to the post office today, so I figured I'd bring the camera out and show you how big it is. Check it out. That whole roof will slide soon too. There's the tunnel to get to my house. I dug my car out yesterday for the first time in 5 days. It's not looking too bad. It's looking good, baby. Dug out, ready to roll. Snow's getting big in the yard. Check it out. It's big. Well guys, let's head down to the post office. I've been doing a lot of photo slideshow videos lately, so today I wanted to get you some real footage. Check out the OT hut. This thing is buried. Look at that. That's massive. It's freaking big, baby. Check out the Gov. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. When you're living the dream and you live in Gov, this is how we do it. Look how big it is, baby. See how big it is behind me? Check that out. The glacier house is freaking buried. Yeah, that's a lot of snow, baby. A whole lot of snow. Check out the huckleberry. It's huge at the hucks. Check that out. That's a massive wall of snow, about 12 feet high. That's massive. Oh yeah, it's big over here too. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, it's big. Massive piles of snow. You can see ski bowl. Let me zoom in on it. Check it out. The huckleberry is freaking buried. Check it out. And look how much snow's on top of the Gubbi gin. That's massive. Check out Valiant Ski Shop. This place is buried too. Snow can't even slide off the roof anymore. There's so much. Check it out. That's massive. Check out this little cabin. It's freaking buried. That's awesome. Well guys, I'm almost at the post office. I just wanted to give you a look at how Gubbi's looking right now. It's freaking massive. It's awesome. Until the next adventure and weather update, Mountainous out.